In this PLR Printables review, I'm going to show you how to cash in on passive one-page printables that you can put up once and generate passive income forever. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out PLR Printables, just go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you pick this up through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, get your cut of the newest, hottest passive income market of 2021. Discover how to cash in on these passive one-page printables that you put up once and they generate passive income forever, and you don't even have to create them yourself. It says you're the hottest way to make passive income right now and forever. With this method, you won't need any long ebooks, investing, websites, experience, Facebook ads, videos, complicated sales copy. Essentially, what you're doing is using stuff that's already existing out there, high quality PLR. You're able to put it up online and make money from that. In a second here, I'm going to show you a video of actually the creator, Debbie, explaining it to you a little bit more in depth here. But you can see here, she made over $2,500 from this simple design here. And look, it's only selling for $2, but making over $2,500 from that. And getting, well, look at this, 3,180 reviews on this one. Look, social distance, wedding, wristband sign, people making money on these printables. And printables, if you really aren't sure what that means, it's just like you put them up on a website, people literally print them out on their computers and you make money from the design. Like, it's pretty crazy that people actually pay for this. Like, I don't get it, but people are making money from this. She's going to show you how to make money from these, how to find them, where to find them from, good versus bad PLR, ideas for printables and ongoing sales. She has a case study. You can watch her build a printable just like she wants you to do, a 4-step process, and showing you how to do that. She says, I'll show you a new way you might not have even thought of to make a printable here as well. There's some bonuses here as well, and it's going to be a very low one-time price. So let me go ahead. I'm going to play a quick video from Debbie, and then I'll be back to show you the back end area and the OTOs.
Hello, this is Debbie Drum, and thank you so much for visiting this page. So I've been in the content marketing business for about 11 years now, and every now and again I stumble across an opportunity that is working for me, and I get really, really excited to share it with you. And that's going to be all inside of my new course called PLR Printables. If you don't know what PLR is, well, there's a massive opportunity. Inside the course, I explain that opportunity and a whole lot more, and how to find really amazing content that you can purchase the rights to, and you can make your own products, and you don't have to start from scratch. That's the beautiful thing about PLR, private label rights. You're purchasing the rights to great content, which comes in the form of images, written content, videos, audios, and you don't have to create them yourself. There's little tweaks that I show you how to do so that you make your products unique to you, and you make them very, very high quality still. But the point is that you're not starting from scratch. You're starting from 60 or 70% of the way done. And that's half the battle, because the sooner you get to putting your products online to sell, the sooner you get to profit and make money and make your next one so that you build your empire. So inside of PLR Printables, we're going to be talking about this massive opportunity that will never ever go away. I'm going to share with you how to create these printables with PLR, and another secret way that I create printables, which you're gonna love. That's in the case study inside the product, and I'm gonna show you how to do that really, really quick. It's all about quick. It's all about making the right decisions, the right choices of the right products to put up. We're going to talk about how to get that organic visibility so you don't have to do much marketing behind your creations. I'm going to show you how to find really good PLR, what is it that you should be looking for versus the ones that aren't so good to stay away from. We'll talk about some ideas. This is really important. I show inside how you can look for ideas to get printables and come up with good ones so that you can also kind of ride the wave of niches and just ideas that are doing really, really well so that you're not starting from behind the eight ball. You're hitting the ground running when you publish your printable. And of course, a case study which allows you to look over my shoulder as I show you the 4 simple steps of how to make and all the things that you need to do to put your printable up for sale. I've also got some hot bonuses. I give you a list of where you can find the best PLR so you don't have to scour the internet finding it yourself and wasting time. And I'm also going to share with you the very most important aspect of your printable, what you should be really paying attention to when you publish. And you do not want to miss this because missing this will make or break your sales. Trust me, I've been there, I've done that, I know what I'm talking about. The great part about this is that you don't need long ebooks, you don't need a website, you don't need experience, you don't need fancy tools, you don't need a college degree, no Facebook ads, no videos, no complicated sales copy. You just got to follow my 4 steps. Pretty easy, right? Very affordable price. Get in now. I'll see you inside of PLR Printables.
So here's the back end area here. You've got your welcome video, the PLR opportunity, topic and idea generation, title, keywords, description, creating the printable, listing the images in Etsy, store tips, Debbie's case study. It says, want to purchase the water tracker printable bonus here. It says a bonus of list of PLR sites, most important part of your listing, and then of course, what's next here. So that's the back end area. She has 3 OTOs with this. So the first one that you're going to see here is the Value Track app. This is for getting free buyer traffic. So if you're interested in traffic, you get your license, you log in, add any link you want traffic to where you show you inside. Say log in, add any link you want traffic to where we show you inside. Okay, I get it. And watch as real buyers start clicking and converting in as little as 2 minutes. So this is a traffic app that you can use for this. Again, it's an optional upgrade. You don't have to get it, but you can if you want to. The next one here says create fast printables easily. Create printables and worksheets 20 times faster than you even believe possible. So this is just 9 more ways of doing that. And the last one here, it's called Audio App. Get instant access to our cloud-based library of 1,200 stunning audio tracks to use in your marketing videos and everywhere else. You can use this as well for your marketing. So this is just another optional upgrade. All these different OTOs, all these upgrades are completely optional. You don't need it to make the system work. Pick and choose which ones you want and which ones you don't. So what do I like about PLR printables and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I guess it's the fact that, I mean, you're not going to be making like $100 sales each time you make sales with this. It's like $2, $3, all kinds of little sales that you make when you upload these to Etsy and different places. So just understand that it's going to be the more of these that you upload, the more money you're going to make. If you just do one of them, you're probably not going to make much money. You're going to have to do a bunch of them. What do I like about this? This is a cool business model. It's really easy. It's really easy to deliver. You don't need to be worrying about shipping people stuff or even really too much like product creation, numbers areas, and all that stuff. So it's an easy business model. If this is something that excites you, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at PLR printables, go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And if you've made it this far, hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.